So now that we have basically a plan for our entire elements booklet, I do want to just go over a little bit about what you'll be writing on the back. Because once you get to this point, or you can wait and do it at the very, very end, but once you are either at this point or at the end, what you will do is on the back of each space, you'll think about our principles of design that we've already discussed in class, and you will basically just write a little bit about how each element can relate to certain principles. So for instance, we've already talked a little bit about how shape over here creates pattern, which is one of the principles. So we could talk about shape relates to the principle of pattern because when you repeat a shape over and over, it becomes a pattern. It becomes repetition. In some of these other ones, we can talk about how color can relate to contrast because the way that we have talked about doing the color, if the cool colors in the front, warm colors in the back, so they're going to be strongly contrasted against each other. Now, depending on how I color space, we could even relate it to emphasis, because if I make this one stand out a lot compared to the others, it's obviously becoming a focal point. So basically what we're going to be doing is on the back, you'll just think about the principles. You'll think about unity/harmony. You'll think about rhythm and movement. You'll think about variety, contrast, emphasis, and pattern and repetition. So those are the 6 principles that we are going to be talking about. And then you'll just want to think about, okay, how can each of these elements relate to or show a principle of art based on that discussion? And you'll just jot it on the back.